All right, hello everyone, and peace of Christ to all of you. I hope my voice is coming good and clear. Please invite your friends, and if you are a Muslim, invite your 4 wives and 60 kids. Have Quran deception of Allah, which is completed by Quran and science in depth. And actually, I don't know why everybody is purchasing the deception of Allah when Quran and science in depth have a lot more information. Hey, my friend, how are you?
Hello?
How are you?
I'm fine, TP. I'm fine. How are you doing?
All right, but I'm scared, my friend. I'm scared that the genie will come to me or something. I have no idea what to do.
Yeah. I actually heard a video of you. I think it was from about a month ago.
Okay.
Talking to a guy, and you were pointing out that the guy was I don't want to say he was an ex-Muslim, but he was at that point where he was starting to ask questions, and where with Islam, once you start to ask questions, so once it occurs to you that this may not make sense, then it's like a crack in the dam, because it doesn't make sense.
As everything in Islam anyway.
Yeah. So, and that was one of the things you pointed out. You asked the guy, about his army of chickens, and army of chicken.
Army of chickens.
And all these birds, and then what was that bird? I forgot the name of it. It was a certain bird that it mentions is a minister.
Yeah, he's a minister. The hubhub. He's a minister of irrigation.
Yeah, the hobo. And you would pull up a picture of it. This bird is the minister.
Yeah, well,
this is in the Quran. This is not a deed. It's Quran.
Yeah. But it's true, my friends, true. I mean, what's the problem? There's minister. You see, in the Middle East, we are more advanced than all people in the world, to the point we hire birds as ministers. I mean, it's true. What's the problem here? You see, in the West, you Western people, you eat those birds. In the Middle East, we are very merciful. We made them even ministers.
Yeah.
And they are in charge of even the land, the irrigation of the land. I mean, what the bird have to do with irrigation?
Well, and the thing you got, which you actually struck a chord with that guy, because he actually started to cry over there, which
yes,
I can imagine it's a tough thing, when you believe in something, and then you realize that it's ridiculous that you've been played the fool. You played the fool all this time.
Right.
I can imagine at such a deep level, But you ask, what's the point? We're not trying to say that there's no such thing as miracles. I do believe that there are miracles, but there's a point to them, So really, even in that context, the fantastic thing is not that there's an army of birds that God would have a use for something like that. Which, I mean, now I'm not trying to say that He does, but if God had use for a miracle, there's a reason for it. There's something behind it. It's not just it's not just there for entertainment purposes.
Yeah.
There's a story to tell.
And look what kind of bird Sulaiman he chose. I mean, these birds we see in the Middle East, and they are very small. They are beautiful, by the way. They are beautiful, and now it's very rare to find them, because Muslims, they kill anything is flying. This is why the wildlife in the Middle East is gone. We used to have lions. We used to have many kind of animals, and they are gone because they shoot anything is moving. Now look at the bird, which is the minister of Sulaiman. I mean, look at this. Any Muslim have a comment? This is the minister of Sulaiman. Are you sure, Muslims?
Yeah.
Do you know how big this one? This bird is really small. It's like it's not even in the size of a dove. It's smaller than a dove. It's not. Yeah, it's small. It's very small. It's very, it's not really big. And but the different it is from a dove, it's more beautiful. That have decoration and the wings. It's beautiful. And they live in the desert. But now it's rare to find them in the Middle East. But why, from all the birds, this one became the ministers? What is the qualification for Mr. Hudhud? Any Muslim can tell us?
CB.
Yeah.
Let me.
Go answer the
As a
phone. No,
matter of
yeah,
fact.
okay, no problem. And
Yeah, let me answer the phone. I'll call you back
all
in
right,
a
no
second
problem, no problem.
with a question.
So, guys, what do you think? This is the Minister of Irrigation, and his part-time job is to find women have no hair in their legs. I mean, how he can find women they have no hair in their legs? How he can do that? He go under the skirt? Yeah, you got it right. This is the national bird of Israel. Why Muhammad he pick it up to be the bird? Because the Jews they have legends about these birds, and the Jews they have stories about these birds, and this is where Muhammad he got his story from. I have nothing against this bird. I believe it's beautiful, and I will never shoot it or kill it. I mean, it's a beautiful bird, you know. But that's very stupid. And this is stupid to believe that a king, he have a kingdom, he have an army of birds, he have a minister from the birds, he have general of birds, he have a brigade of birds, he have a major bird, he have a captain bird, he have, I mean, this is madness. And yet the Muslim they speak to us about science in the Quran. And this is my challenge for any Muslim. If you would like to call me right now, right here, and show me the science which is exist in your religion, I will be happy to see it. Anyone? Any Muslim? Don't forget, especially those who are new watching us and listening to us, don't forget please to subscribe and give a like to our video if you like it. If you don't, give it a like, no problem. Just be honest. But if you like to follow us, we do our broadcast every day, 4:30 p.m. and we take questions and we do answers live. Usually we don't prepare. I don't really prepare for a topic. I don't have really a topic. I answer the questions of people. So it can be your topic. As long as the topic is about Islam, you are more than welcome to ask me. And I am not politically correct. I say things as it is, and I never mention something without showing you in the screen the reference and the proofs of what I'm saying. As simple as that. You know, some people they speak about Islam or about Christianity, but really they don't have anything there to provide for us, right? Well, the flying carpet, the flying horse. You remember the story of Aisha when she was playing with her dolls? Who remember the story, the hadith? Aisha, she was playing with a doll, and one of the dolls was the flying horse of Sulaiman. Let me find you the hadith. And you will see right away how Muhammad was inspired by a story. Obviously, it was very well known. Even kids like Aisha, she knew about it. Let us see. Let us see where. Where is the hadith? Okay, hold on. Let me find it first. Sometimes the search engine is not really good. You search for something, it show you anything have to do with the word you search in the search engine. All right. Let us see. Yeah, I want to show it to you so we can show you how Muhammad, where he got his inspiration. All right, maybe now we can find this hadith, if not that one. All right, here we go. We found the other one. Read to me. When the Messenger of Allah arrived after the expedition he was in, his attack, his neighbors, to Tabuk or Khaybar, they are not even sure which one. Okay, what happened? When he came back home, he saw Aisha playing with her dolls. The wife of the Prophet playing with the dolls. You believe it? Because she was a child. You know, we know, all of us, that Muhammad was a child molester. Let me take this subscribe off so you guys can read. Hold on. All right. Then Muhammad, he asked Aisha, he said, "What is this?" She replied, "My dolls." Among them he saw a horse with wings made of rags. He asked, "What is this I see among them?" She replied, "A horse." He asked, "What is this that it has on it?" Which mean the wings. She replied, "Two wings." He asked, "A horse with two wings?" She replied, "Have you not heard that Sulaiman had a horse with two wings, And this is where Muhammad got his story from. It was very widespread between the Arab, all those fiction stories and legends, to the point that child like Aisha at the age of 6, she know them. And actually, if you read the conversation carefully, you will see that Aisha and Muhammad, the conversation between them is a conversation between an adult and a little kid. You know what I mean? What is this? It's a horse. What is in the attached to it? Oh, those are wings. Why it have wings? Didn't you hear about the story of Sulaiman? It's a kid conversation, right? It's a kid, it's a child who is playing with her dolls, and Muhammad is talking to this child as a child. But yet Muhammad, he did steal the idea, and he later he put it in his fiction stories that Sulaiman, he used to have a horse and he slaughtered the horse, so Allah replaced his horse which he slaughtered by a flying carpet. Right? Any Muslim here have a problem with this? Any Muslim here don't agree that this what happened? The same